Many believe creating a professional website is a simple task. The reality is often different. Endless tutorials, overwhelming options, and unexpected costs. But what if there was a straightforward path? With a tool like Hostinger, the process is simplified. Here are 5 simple steps to build a stunning website in just 5 minutes. Most people I know have amazing business ideas but feel completely overwhelmed when it comes to building websites. You know you need to be online to succeed, but coding seems impossible and hiring designers costs thousands. That's exactly why I'm obsessed with Hostinger's new AI website builder. It creates professional websites by just describing your business in plain English. My friend Sarah built her entire bakery website in 4 minutes and got her first online order that same day. By the end of this video, you'll have a gorgeous professional website that's live on the internet, and I'll prove it by building a complete flower shop website from scratch in real time. Plus, I'll show you how to do this for less than a cup of coffee per month. Let's dive right into the magic. I'm going to show you how Hostinger's AI can create an entire website faster than you can make your morning coffee. Imagine having the world's best web designer who works instantly and never charges extra for changes. That's exactly what this AI does. I'm going to build a flower shop website as our example, but this works for any business, restaurants, salons, consulting, you name it. Here's what we're doing step by step. Go to hostinger.com and click My Account. Then click the Log in with Google button. You can use your Google account to make it super quick. Now you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, the page that says Hello. You can either click Hostinger in the left sidebar or click the big banner that reads Go from idea to a web app or site in minutes and press Try Now. Both lead to the same Hostinger interface. The Hostinger welcome screen says, What do you want to create? And shows a large prompt box in the center. All right, step 2, and this is where things get really fun. Instead of stressing about what to write in Hostinger, we're going to use ChatGPT to create the perfect prompt for us. In the chat box, I will write the idea for my website. Project title, create a simple lead-generating website for Petal Garden Flower Shop. Primary goal, to build a professional-looking website that displays the shop's work, builds trust, and gets customers to contact them. And add the basic features that my website should have. And look at this. ChatGPT instantly gives me a polished, professional description that sounds like it came from a copywriter. That's the power of this tool. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you get words that actually sell your business. Here's what it gave me: the project title, primary goal, and the detailed instructions by section. How good is that? And I didn't have to overthink or second guess myself. So, if you're someone who doesn't feel confident with writing, or maybe English isn't even your first language, ChatGPT makes this step 10 times easier. You just tell it what your business is and it gives you the perfect words to use. Now, all I have to do is copy this description and paste it into Hostinger's AI website builder. Then paste my ChatGPT description right into the big prompt box. And that's it. I'm ready to hit Generate Website. All right, step 3. This is the magical part. Once you hit Generate Website, the AI goes to work. And in about 30 seconds, you're staring at a complete professional website. I always compare it to moving into a new apartment. The AI gives you a fully built apartment. It has walls, floors, doors, windows. It's ready to live in. But the fun part is you get to decorate it. You pick the paint colors, hang the pictures, arrange the furniture. Same with your website. You get the structure instantly, and then you make it yours. Change the main heading for Bloom and Blossom, your local flower experts. Update the color palette for soft pinks and greens to match the floral theme. Add a short about section for We've been creating flower arrangements for over 10 years, specializing in weddings, events, and brightening everyday moments. Add services for wedding bouquets, funeral arrangements, birthday flowers, corporate events, daily fresh flowers. Update the contact info for phone, address, business hours. Add a contact form for name, email, event date, type of arrangement. Drop in testimonials for even if it's just from friends or first clients. Add social media links for Instagram, Facebook. This took me less than 2 minutes. And here's the best part. If I want to change anything later, I don't need to hire a developer. I just click, type, and it updates instantly. And don't worry if your site doesn't look perfect at first. My first draft looked pretty basic too, but remember, it's already live. And you can improve it as you go. What matters is that you have a real functioning website today, not months from now. Okay, so let's step back for a second and appreciate what just happened. In less than 5 minutes, we built a professional website, something that normally takes weeks and thousands of dollars. Think about it. A custom website from a designer usually costs anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000. And if you hire a developer, it could be even more. With Hostinger's AI Builder, you just got the exact same result for as low as $2.99 a month. That's literally cheaper than your daily latte. And I know what some of you might be thinking. What if I need help later? Hostinger has 24/7 live chat support. What if I want to change something? You can edit anything yourself in seconds. No waiting, no extra fees. What if I mess it up? You can always generate a brand new website in 5 minutes. Honestly, there's no way to lose. So here's my challenge for you. Open a new tab, go to Hostinger, and set a 5-minute timer. By the time that timer ends, you could have your very own website live on the internet, a digital storefront that never closes, a place where people can find you, trust you, and buy from you. And don't stop here. Once your website is live, the next step is learning how to get traffic, how to bring people to your site and turn visitors into customers. That's exactly what I'll cover in my next video, so make sure you subscribe and stick around for that. Your online presence starts now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. You already have everything you need. So go ahead, build your website, and step into the online world today. I'm not saying this will make you the next big online entrepreneur overnight, but if you're serious about creating websites that look professional and stand out, this is the only method I've found that really delivers. Click the link in my description to try it for yourself. Don't wait to start building your AI-powered website today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.